Imagine traveling the country without ever leaving your home. Thanks to this once-in-a-lifetime collection, now you can. Coma Baby Productions is proud to present The Sounds of America. This deluxe record contains all the classic sounds from the greatest country on earth. The A side of the record takes you to some of the most iconic cities in the nation, including Atlanta, Chicago, Los Angeles, New York, and Seattle. The B-side features the small town classics, highlighting your favorite places, such as movie theaters, baseball stadiums, grocery stores, synagogues, and the county fair. Call in the next 10 minutes and we'll include the limited edition Abraham Lincoln bonus track for no additional charge. Call the number on your screen toll-free to purchase your Sounds of America collection today.